Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my little skincare vlog. What can I say? Chuck? So I have a very dry and tight skin, and nowadays I am staying in Germany and winter is started here, so which is not very helpful for me. So I am started my morning skincare routine for winter days. So I'm gonna share with you guys. So hope it will be very helpful for you. For follow this route, you don't need to buy anything. It's very simple. So you can do it within 5 minutes with a 5 step. So first step face wash, second step is toner. You have to apply toner after face wash. So third step is moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer. I used personally, I am going to recommend you to use aloe vera cream. If you have to go to work, then you have to apply sunscreen after the moisturizer, then it will be very protect your skin also. Lastly, lip balm. You can use any lip balm. After that, you can put makeup on your face. So I am staying home now. I am not working, so I skip the sunscreen step number 4. I'm gonna show you how do I maintain my routine. Hopefully you will like this video, and please like, comment, share, and please subscribe my channel. So let's get started. So after I'm making my morning green tea, I am going to wash my face with a hot water, and I am using this face wash. My skin doctor recommend me to use this face wash, or you can use any kind of mild face wash. During the face wash, massage your skin up to 2 to 3 minutes and then wash your face with a hot water. For the second step, I am using apple cider vinegar as a toner. So this is the recipe I am gonna share with you. So I am adding 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of water and mix it well. So now your toner is ready. Take a cotton, put little bit of toner and gently apply on your face. Then for the third step, I am using moisturizer. You can use any kind of mild moisturizer. Personally, I am using this one, aloe vera body lotion. Take a little bit and apply on your face. I already mentioned I skipped the sunscreen step, but you can use the sunscreen after the moisturizer. So this is the last step. I am using lip balm. You can use any kind of lip balm, not lipstick. Or you can use coconut oil. I am using this lip balm. So this is my morning skincare routine for winters. So hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.